after you have the posture, which of course is hard, while you're maintaining that posture, you still want to do this. I was noticing a moment ago when you were doing it that the poi was traveling at a faster speed than your arm. So it looks something like this. Oh, wait, sorry. It looks something like this, right? So see how the poi is going up too high? You want it like this. See how it's a straight line? Or is it a straight line? I assume it's a straight line. It feels like a straight line, but I can't see it. So that's what we're looking for, is a straight line. So not this, don't let it swing extra, because that's how you have control, right? You know where those 2 points are. I know this seems very rudimentary, but here we're keeping the hand still, but we're moving the poi back and forth. So the pendulum, the fulcrum is here at where the hand is, versus the other one where the fulcrum is where the shoulder is, right? So the whole gesture here is generated from the shoulder down. The gesture here is generated from the hand. And they're 2 different sensations, but it's the same sort of technique. And it seems so easy, like everything else in poi, but I don't think necessarily is, even if it's simple.